AmaZulu FC yaqede imidlalo yeBetway Premiership ngesizini eyedlule ehlezi endaweni yesine kulog. Nokunyuse amathemba ukuthi uSuthu lusangenza kahle nakule sizini eqalile. Umqeqeshi wawo uArthur Zwane uthi babhekene nemidlalo eminingi eduze. Ngakho uzosebenzisa bonke abadlali bakhe.
In the past, it was not like that. We had to compromise. Sometimes we had to go in there with makeshift, squad in certain games. As I said, right now we are playing on Saturday. We are playing on Sunday, and then we have 2 days of preparing the team. Wednesday is Orlando Pirates, and we want to play to win. And for that matter, we're playing it.
U10-111 uthi usabheke ukucikisa abanye abadlali ukuqinisa iqembu.
We've put ourselves into promised land. We've given our supporters hope and everyone that's been following us. So if there is a player that we think can come and add value, we'll definitely add.
AmaZulu FC azodlala imidlalo yawo eChartworth Stadium njengoba iMoses Mabhida isalungiswa. Kanti ngesonto uSuthu uzobhekana neSekhukhune United ngehora lesithathu ntambama.